Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. The day of Arafah is considered the most important day of the Hajj pilgrimage. It is a day when Allah frees more people from hellfire than any other day of the year. Sahih Muslim 1348. What du'as did the Prophet and his companions say on this day? The Prophet Muhammad's du'a on Arafah. The best supplication is the supplication on the day of Arafah, and the best thing that I and the prophets before me said is, there is no deity except Allah, alone, without partner. To him belongs the dominion and all praise, and he is over all things competent.
لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له له الملك وله الحمد وهو على كل شيء قدير.
This supplication is from the gifts of the Prophet to this particular ummah. Ali's Ra, du'a on Arafah. O Allah, free my neck from the fire, and expand for me, bestow upon me permissible sustenance, and keep away from me the wicked of jinn and mankind. Ibn Abi Dunya, Abdullah ibn Umar's Ra, du'a on Arafah. Allah is the greatest. Allah is the greatest, and to Allah all praises belong. Abdullah ibn Umar, Ra, repeatedly recited the takbir and praised Allah throughout the day, exemplifying the practice of renewing faith and commitment to Allah. Then he would say, Allahumma adini bil huda, wakini bil taqwa, wagfir li fil akarati wal ula. He'd say this, and then go quiet for about the time that it took one to say Al-Fatiha, making personal du'as quietly. Shahr Umdat Al-Fiqh 3:509. The day of Arafah is special, and there are many du'as you can fill your day with. We've compiled a full list of du'as from this year's Dhul Hijjah series that is available for download.